Like if I'm clicking the about, it's showing some content. What's this content about? It's about the vision of the company and this mission of this startup thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to display some content so that the people can view, the people can get what is it about everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to separately create a about.html. This thing you can see that I have repeated. Why means even though I'm clicking the about, I should be again accessing the home, about, founder, contact us more and sign up. So what I'm doing is I'm repeating the same till this. And also you can see that the copyright at Aravind Roadbuy is being there. So I have also repeated the footer thing. So about the content. Coming to this about Roadbuy, it's actually a title and it should be like projected like a big thing. So what I have did is I have created a header file. Header file is the about Roadbuy, and it should be centerized now. It should be not left. For me, it should be at center. So what I'm doing is I'm again accessing the class equal to text center, which we already saw. The alignment of the text is being in center. So we are using text center and we are using heading 2. I already said no. Heading 1 is the biggest heading. Heading 2 is not somewhat bigger, little smaller. As the number increases, H3, H4, H5, H6, that size decreases. Here for this, what is it? We are using H3 tag. See, here it's H2 tag. Here it is H3 tag. You can notice the difference, I think, about Roadbuy and what is it. Okay, what is it? To give some content, what I have did is I have created a para and I have given class equal to text justify, because here I have created a class text justify, text align property. Justify is the thing, like whatever you type, it actually fits into it. Like if I am typing a content like till this only and I am getting to another line, but I want the entire content to fit into the page. So I use the property text justify, which actually adjusts the paragraph in order to meet the borders of the line. Again, I have used this same class and I have used this content. And again, coming to the vision, here in this vision, I used a H3 tag, the same thing, you know. And again, a para with the class text justify, and this is some content, and again the footer file and the closing HTML tag. That's all for the about tag. Now we are going to the founder. Founder is just the thing. You ignore these contents, but as a thing I want to make myself proud for creating this website, because as this is my first website, I haven't built a website before. I just want myself to just be encouraged. So what I did, the same thing I have repeated. Why, you know, to in order to get the same home, about, founder, contact us, so that I can access something. Like a person is viewing my website, he doesn't want to see my face, he want to go back suddenly, he can use this button. The same I'm using. So here what I'm using is in order to display my face, this face, and to make myself like the person wants to know my name in bold. So what I'm using is I'm using my name as a H1 tag. Before we have seen H2, H3, now we are seeing H1 tag. This is the size of the H1 tag. Then I'm using a class AF. This class AF, just on the defining the font, like everything shouldn't be looking the same, you know. This is, I think it's a font, different font, and this is a Arial black font. So to get the font difference, I have created a class. It's okay if you're okay with this font as caps, but I wanted my name to look in different font, so I have used here different font. So again, coming to the about myself, founder, and here I'm keeping my face. So I have used this image tag, and I have specified the location where the image is. First of all, I kept my image there, and I have just located it. That's it. And again, coming to the contents, it's again introduction, some paragraph about me, myself, boasting myself. Again, a paragraph, the same thing what we have seen in the about page. H3. Again, the footer we are including in everything. Next will be coming to the contact us. Here actually, as it's a shopping site, the thing is, if something else happens or something the people want to get to contact of company, it's necessary that he or she should contact us, and the method should be easy. It's not like is only giving a number or email ID which is held to get connected, or the mail will be like always unseen. So, and also the sort of problems, like whether it's a return problem or it's a refund problem, the problem should be like categorized. So what I have done, I will just explain you here in the contact.html. The same thing I have been repeating, as you know. Then the header file is contact us. Lastly, we saw in the about, I think we have created a header file about, and we have text aligned to the center. Like that in contact us, we have done the same. And these contents coming with the h3 tag, contact us, and the para, and giving some helpline number, email, blah blah blah, which every platform usually gives. But in order to make it special and make it easy for the user and the employees to get access to the real problem, is that contact us form, so that you can straight away enter your name like this. And also the issue can be selected as an option, like whether it's a problem with the payment, wrong product delivered, refund not done, and also you can give your helter skelter reviews, like what is the exact problem and what is different with your problem. Because even though if you are clicking this product damage, you can actually explain what's the sort of damage, whether it's water damage or it's damage while delivered, or like it's been damaged by you, so that it will be easy for the startup company to get to you. So in order to get this card type design, by seeing itself we can guess that it needs more CSS classes, but we'll see. Again, for this form I'm applying the border class equal to p1 border, where the p-1 border, like I'm giving the padding, how much I want, 10 pixels I want. Then I'm giving the label name, and here you can notice I'm using placeholder. Actually, what's placeholder? Even though if you're getting a name and empty column, it should be saying whether it should be a full name with the caps, name which is being registered. For this, the placeholder actually works, like enter your full name and enter your registered email, enter your phone number. So in order to get a text which is being displayed in the typing column, you're using placeholder. it is usually a light font, it's not like a dark font. And as soon as you are clicking this, clicking and you are starting typing, it disappears, so that it's not clumsy. So here the same thing I'm using, a label I'm using, and break tag, so that to get some space, it's not like merged one above another. So break tag I'm using, and placeholder, what the content I want, enter your full name, it's a type of text, things like that. The same I'm repeating for email ID, phone number, and issue the product. And coming to the special thing, the selecting product with a payment or something. Here what I'm doing, it should be like an option, so that it is easy to access. So here I'm using option tag, and the value, like what the option is: product damage, product delivered, product pay.